Hey, how's it going, everybody? Chad Bennett here today, and today I'm going to show you a super simple method that you can use to start putting cash in your pocket. This is 100% free. This is 100% legitimate. It is 100% easy to do. If you have a smartphone, a tablet, or a PC and you are connected to the internet, you can start making money today. If that sounds interesting to you, if you want some free PayPal cash, if you want to start making money from your friends, I'm going to show you 4 simple ways with one simple application that you can start generating income today. So if you're new to this channel, the first thing that you're going to want to do is smash that thumbs up button, you guys. This helps get this information out there to as many people as possible. It also helps to grow my channel, and I greatly appreciate it. Also, the second thing that you're going to want to do is if you like to learn how to make money and lots of it, that's what I talk about on this channel. Make sure that you are subscribed. Make sure that you hit the bell notification. That way you are notified as soon as I come out with new content. And you guys, I'm coming out with at least 3 very valuable videos a week teaching you how to make money online. And I'm not talking about just little easy ways to make money online, you guys. I will teach you how to do that, but I will teach you how to scale a business so that you are making lots and lots and lots of money. I'm talking about life-changing money online. If that is something that sounds interesting to you, make sure that you're subscribed. So you're probably wondering by now, what is this application, Chad? How can I get started? I want to start making money now. And one of the things that I want to share with you, first off, that I think is super simple that I kind of already mentioned in the beginning of this video is that this can be done on your smartphone. You guys, everybody is taking their smartphone everywhere with them these days. They have it in their pockets. They have it in their purses. You have this thing on you most of the day. I know you do. And what's really cool about this is you can download this app, and anytime that you have any spare time, whether you're sitting on your couch, whether you're waiting in line, whether you're waiting for a doctor's appointment, it doesn't matter. Whenever you have some free time, you can open up this application, spend a little bit of time, and put some extra cash in your pocket. So the name of this application, you guys, now that I've led you all the way here, is called Feature Points. And you can get to this website by simply typing in featurepoints.com into your browser. You can also look this up in the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. And I'm going to take you to both of those locations on the web just to show you some of the reviews and show you some of the ratings. I want you to know that this is a 100% legitimate application. I've used it myself to make money. I tested it. It is super simple and easy to do. I know you're going to like this. Let's go over to the Apple App Store real quick. I wanted to show you some of the ratings. So you can see here, they have 497 ratings. It's rated 4.3 stars in the Apple App Store. Like I said, you guys, it is a free application to download. You do not have to put any money out of pocket to get started doing this. I also wanted to read just one of the reviews down here at the bottom, just to kind of show you what people are saying about this app. This person says, pretty good app. The point system is reliable and the contest is a nice touch. I'm about a third if the way to a 10-point gift card on my first day of downloading it. So making money here, you guys. First day, already made $10. Taking you over here to the Google Play Store. They have 112,699 ratings, rated 4 stars in the Google Play Store, you guys. So that's a lot of people. 4 stars is pretty good to me. 5 stars is excellent, obviously. But obviously, a lot of people think this is a really cool application and way to make some extra cash online. So now that we've erased any doubt in your mind that this application is legitimate and that you can make money with this application, let's jump back over to their website. I want to point some things out to you guys that are super important. This is the 4 different methods that you can use with this app to start generating money for yourself. The first thing that I want to point out when you come back over to their website here is up at the top, you can get signed up right here on their website if you're on a PC or a laptop or something like that. You can enter your name, click sign up now, and it'll start running you through the sign up process. You can also do this by downloading it in the App Store, such as the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. You guys download the application. You can sign up directly through the app. I also wanted to point out right up here at the top that they've paid out over $5,600,000 has been rewarded since 2012. So these guys are not new. They've been around for a while, and they are paying tons of money out to their users that are using this application. So stick with me here, you guys. I'm going to share with you now the 4 different methods within this one application that you can start using to start generating money with this app. They are super simple. You're gonna like this, and make sure you stick with me till the end of this video, because if you like making money online, I'm gonna share with you at the end of this video how you can start generating life-changing money online. You guys, this is how I got started. I'm gonna show you how you can do it 100% free, so make sure you stick with me till the end. So check this out, you guys. The first method that you can use to start generating cash with this application is by earning cash back. Now, they have a ton of stores that they have collaborated with that you can earn up to 40% cash back just by shopping at these locations. And these aren't locations that you've never heard about before. These are stores such as Best Buy, Forever 21, Walmart. I know everyone's shopping at Walmart, Target, Nordstrom, Macy's. They got Gap, GameStop. So if you're shopping at these places and you're spending money there, you can start getting paid cash back just for having this application on your phone. The second way that you can start generating income with this application is by completing surveys, you guys. And they have surveys on here that last 5, 10, some 20 minutes, some 30 minutes. And depending on the survey is the amount of points that you're going to earn. And what happens on this application is you generate points, and these points convert to money. And they convert to gift cards, and they convert to PayPal cash, you guys. So I like surveys. They're super simple to do. It tells you about the amount of time that it takes to actually complete these surveys. So when you know that you have some extra time, you can sit down, take a couple surveys, and generate some points that convert to cash, you guys. And so the third way that you can make cash with this application is by downloading apps. And I think this is pretty neat because my wife is always getting upset with me because I'm constantly downloading applications on my phone. I don't know why, but I just like to play with new apps and see what they do, and just I kind of feel like I'm transforming my phone, and it gives it a new functionality. But if this is something like you, if you're anything like me and you like doing stuff like that, or maybe you're just going to do it just because you want to make some money, you can download applications, and a lot of these are brand new applications that haven't been released to the public yet, you guys, and you can earn points for just opening up these applications on your phone. You have to have them open for at least a few minutes, and then you get credited with points. So super simple way to make money here, you guys. Download an application and keep it on your phone for 2 minutes. That's simple. And the fourth way that you can make money with this application, and this one is super exciting to me because this is simple. You're making money from your friends, you guys. You can share this app with your friends. They give you a link. If you're familiar with affiliate marketing at all, or how that works, if you're not, I have tons of videos on that on my channel. You can go and watch those videos, but this is similar to what affiliate marketing is, you guys. They're gonna give you a link. You share this link with your friends, and you're gonna share it because you like this application. It's super simple, and you're basically just gonna share your excitement of how easy it is for you to generate income with this app. And when you share it with your friends and they download this app and they start making money with this application, guess what? You're gonna get paid 50% every time one of your friends earns points. And you get paid for life. So that's huge, you guys. So I wanted to elaborate on that last part just a little bit, you guys. 50% of your friends, and you earn this for life. So if you can get some of your friends doing this and they're earning points and making money with this one application, you can start generating some pretty significant money just with this one app, just by sharing your enthusiasm and how much you like it. And you know, they can do the same exact thing, you guys. This grows, and it's so simple to do. So last but not least here, you guys, what happens is, like I said, all of this adds up to points, and you get a points value that shows up in the top here. For instance, this, you know, for their screenshot here, it says 50,304 points, converts to cash, and what happens is those convert to PayPal gift cards, Amazon gift cards, Xbox gift cards, the Google Play Store, PlayStation. They even pay out in Bitcoin, you guys. So awesome way to start generating money online. But you stuck with me till the end, and now I'm going to show you exactly how you can start generating some insane amount of money online. So what you're going to want to do, you guys, is come beneath this video here. And down in the description, what I've left is a link for you. It says my #1 recommendation to earn a full-time income online. And I've left the link to my website, chadbennettlive.com. If you type that into your browser, or if you click on this link right here, what it's going to do is take you to a page. It's going to ask for your name and it's going to ask for your email address. You want to make sure that you put a legitimate email address in there, because what I'm going to do is send you out a free video that's going to help you get started with your own online business, you guys. And this is a no joke way to really change your life and to start your own online business. This is what I wish I had done years and years and years ago. You guys, I've been struggling for at least 10 to 15 years now with so many different business ventures. I've been doing this now for about 7 months, and they've literally taken me from 0 to 100 real quick. So don't mess around with this. This is serious stuff. I don't want to try to sell you on it too much, but if that's something that you're interested in doing, you want to make sure that you get started doing that. Like I said, it's a free video. Don't wait. And then last but not least, you guys, if you found any valuable information in this video, please make sure that you smash that thumbs up, you guys. It helps to grow my channel. It helps to get this content out there to as many people as possible. And last but not least, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. Make sure that you hit the bell notification that appears right over here in the corner. That way you are notified immediately when I come out with new content. And please also, if you like this video, make sure that you leave some comments, you guys. I'll answer your questions. Anything that I can do to help you grow making money online, that is very important to me. So thank you for watching this. I really enjoy spending time with you. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.